This YouTube channel has reached 750,000 subscribers and 426 million views with just 309 videos. The most interesting thing is that all of its videos are made with AI. Now your question, how did this happen? How did they get an average of 34 million views per video with just 309 videos? Today, I'm going to reveal their exact strategy to you so that you can produce similar videos and take advantage of this opportunity. But you might be asking, is it really possible to make money from short videos? Many people believe that making money from YouTube Shorts is not possible, but this is a completely wrong belief. Why? Because YouTube launched a new program about 2 years ago that pays short creators cash. Currently, the average earnings are around 30 cents per 1,000 views. This may seem like a small amount, but when a channel earns over $100,000 with just 309 AI-generated videos, you realize that this is a huge opportunity. You can create similar channels using one of YouTube's advanced AI tools, Clipwise. How to create viral videos with Clipwise AI? Now that we've learned about the power of YouTube Shorts, it's time to use a powerful and intelligent tool to create viral videos. This AI-powered platform lets you create short, engaging, and popular videos in under 3 minutes, so don't miss out. Try Clipwise AI now. The site link is in the video description. Now that you're logged into the Clipwise AI dashboard, it's time to create your first video step by step. You can create a variety of video types on the platform, including viral, faceless, AI, host quiz, video, educational, and storytelling, and more. Steps to create a video on Clipwise.ai. Enter a short text. For example, if you want to write a video about history, you can enter something like Enoch and 10 Heavens history. Select the language of the video. You can choose different languages to appeal to an international audience. Set the duration of the video. Set it between 30 and 90 seconds. Choose a tone and style. Depending on the content of your video, you can choose an exciting, educational, formal, or entertaining tone. Specify the audience. Is your video for children, teens, or adults? Set this option. Choose a visual theme. From the available options, choose a theme that suits your video. Click the Generate button. Now that you have set up the structure of your video, it's time for the next step. Select a voiceover and video avatar in the voiceover selection section. In this section, you can choose from a selection of professional voices for your video. There are different options for the tone and style of the voiceover. You can listen to demos of different voices and choose the one that best suits your video. Select a video avatar optional. If you want your video to have a digital presenter AI avatar, you can select one of the AI avatars from this section. This option is very useful for educational, news, or promotional videos. After selecting the voice and avatar, Clipwise AI automatically prepares all the images and details of the video. If you don't like some of the images, you can change or recreate them to have more accurate content. Click on the next option. Add music, subtitles, and special effects to complete your video. Now that your video is almost ready, there are a few final steps left to make it more professional and attractive. Choose background music. In this section, you can choose a suitable song for your video. These musics are created by artificial intelligence and are recommended according to the style of your video. You can adjust the volume, music volume, so that the music remains in the background and does not dominate the speaker's voice. If you want your video to be calmer or more energetic, you can choose a song that suits the mood of the content. Adjust video speed. In this section, you can slow down or speed up the video. If your video is educational or a story, it is better to set its speed to medium or slow. If you want the video to be exciting and dynamic, you can increase its speed. Caption settings. In this section, you can select the active caption style to display the text in an attractive way in the video. Choosing the right subtitle helps improve user interaction, especially for people who watch videos without sound. Adding special effects, video overlay. At this stage, you can add various animation effects to your video to make it more professional and attractive. These effects include text effects, graphic animations, and other visual details that make your video more eye-catching and interactive. The final step? Click Next and your video is ready. It's time to watch. Okay guys, now that our video is all set, it's time to see the results. Let's watch the video and check it out. If everything went great, you can publish your video directly to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok.
Enoch, the celestial traveler, journeys through the veils of the universe, ascending toward the 10 heavens, each revealing secrets untold. In the first heaven, Enoch encounters angels who unveil the cosmos's mysteries, illuminating pathways of knowledge and divine purpose unknown to mankind. Reaching the 10th heaven, Enoch experiences the ultimate divine vision, a powerful truth that reshapes his understanding of existence and eternity.
Once upon a time in realms unseen, kings reigned with power beyond imagination. Let's unveil some of the most fascinating ones. First, King Solomon, known for wisdom unmatched, he penned proverbs and ruled with justice, his fame echoing through the ages. Next, we meet Alexander the Great, a warrior turned legend. His conquests spread culture and forged a new world of possibilities. And there's King Tutankhamun, the boy king whose golden tomb stunned the world, offering glimpses into ancient Egyptian splendor. Lastly, Charles V, Holy Roman Emperor, who ruled a vast empire. His reign exemplifies power and the challenges of leadership.
In a mighty kingdom, a kind king ruled wisely. Yet even the strongest rulers need reminders about compassion. Enter a young boy with dreams. One day, the boy expressed a wish to meet the king, believing he would make him a knight. His heart sparkled with hope and curiosity. The king heard about the dreamer boy. Intrigued, he invited the boy to the palace, feeling a change within him, yearning to connect. At the palace, the boy shared his dream of knighthood. The king, sensing the boy's spirit, realized he needed a lesson in humility. The king decided to take the boy on an adventure throughout the kingdom. He wanted to experience the world from a humble perspective. Together, they witnessed the villagers' struggles and joys. The king felt the boy's optimism and realized how far love can reach. After the adventure, the king bestowed upon the boy a special title, Knight of Compassion. The boy beamed, dreams realized through kindness. The king learned through the boy that real nobility lies in compassion. The kingdom thrived, united by the child's newfound role. Together they forged a kingdom where kindness reigned. The boy taught the king that every noble deed starts with a simple heart.
Ever wondered why God seems like a destroyer in the Old Testament? Let's plunge into ancient times to uncover the heart of this divine mystery. The Old Testament tells tales of plagues, floods, and destruction. Each event reflects a deeper narrative about justice, power, and human choices. Take Noah, for instance. The flood was more than chaos. It was a reset, showing how divine intervention clarifies morality and serves justice. Sodom's destruction wasn't random. It represented divine judgment on rampant corruption, a necessary step for establishing a moral foundation. Through destruction, God communicated. The commandments were born from chaos, illustrating how we learn responsibility through divine guidance. Figures like Jeremiah lamented over destruction, showing that God's actions invite reflection on humanity's choices and the consequences that follow. This brings us to rebirth. Destruction often leads to new beginnings, a chance for humanity to realign with values and ethics bestowed by God. The Old Testament narratives challenge us today. They prompt us to explore our moral compass and the impact of divine principles on our lives. In essence, God's role as a destroyer serves a purpose, teaching us resilience, responsibility, and the potential for redemption in our lives.
If you are thinking of using Clipwise.ai to produce professional videos, it is best to check out its pricing plans to choose the best option for you. 25-month plan allows you to create 40 videos. 39-month plan allows you to produce 80 videos. Suitable for those who are looking for faster growth and plan to produce more videos. 63-month plan allows you to produce unlimited videos. If you are planning to start earning money from content production professionally, this plan is the best option. If you choose the annual plan, you will get a 60% discount, which significantly reduces your monthly cost. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. See you next time.